The best practices and examples of leading by serving in different industries and sectors. The individuals who lead by serving can be found in virtually every industry and sector in existence. Whether the focus is on industries, which are specific groups of similar types of companies, which are large sectors of the economy and include various industries, the leaders who serve their followers in different industries and sectors have commonalities, i.e., empathy, compassion, concern, listening, awareness, and commitment to the growth of people. Regardless of the industry or sector in which leaders who serve are found, they are dedicated to the people to whom they serve. One of the key industries or sectors in which leaders who serve can be found is healthcare, where leaders who serve are critical because of the nature of the environment. In providing care for individuals who are sick or providing preventative care before individuals become sick, leaders who serve are perhaps more aware of the needs of the people involved. Leaders who serve may be more likely to demonstrate empathy and concern for both employees and patients. They will be mindful of wise management of resources as well as improving patient outcomes. Leaders who serve are drawn to the aspects of technology that involve innovation and employee empowerment because of their potential benefits. Encouraging innovation, for example, is a behavior to be expected of leaders who serve, as it provides leaders with a way to provide support to their followers. Innovative organizations are able to visualize scenarios in which the infeasible becomes a distinct possibility. Slack demonstrates excellence in empowering its staff through seamless communications in diverse work settings. Leaders who serve in education are nurturing to those they lead, and they seek opportunities to provide their people with development opportunities. Because they recognize the value of education, leaders who serve ensure their followers have access to educational opportunities and that they can be part of an inclusive educational environment. There are, fortunately, shining examples of leaders throughout the education sector who serve in the educational realm that provide inspiration not only for their organizations, but for other organizations as well. A sector encompassing numerous industries is the nonprofit sector. Nonprofit organizations with leaders who serve can be identified by the advocacy and community engagement that are present within the organizations. Nonprofit leaders are mindful of developing effective strategies to promote advocacy for the marginalized. Leaders of these organizations strive for effective community engagement, which serves all stakeholders of the organizations. The efforts of leaders who serve, who are wholly dedicated to their work with nonprofit organizations, are able to significantly impact their community. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.